Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Panasonic indoor shelf CCTV camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings, this applies to the HNC810 and the HNC815 cameras. Now, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your camera is not connecting to the Wi-Fi or not syncing or pairing with the app or anything like that, not responding, not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you want to set this camera up on a new network or something like that, and you just want to get a fresh start like it's coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is we're going to start by just plugging in the camera, and we're going to wait for a full minute until it's all set up and the camera will actually beep. Once that happens, we're going to take a paper clip and we're going to come in here on the back top left here as indicated by this little image, and we're going to press and hold that reset button for about 5 seconds. Basically hold it until the camera beeps. That means that it's resetting. So then it's going through its reset process. You just have to wait until the camera's LED turns yellow, indicating that the reset is done, and then you can go ahead and set it up like you're initially setting it up as a new camera.